Alright guys, since 1 or 2 months I have been sharing almost all One UI 8.5 apps APK through my videos, and almost all the APKs are working fine on One UI 8, some on One UI 7. I don't know about One UI 6. Apps like phone app, this is One UI 8.5, call apps, contacts, as you can see, it's working pretty fine. Internet, this is also One UI 8.5 internet, and this is my Samsung Galaxy S23 FE running One UI 8, and also notes, it's working fine. My files also, this you can see, this is One UI 8.5 my files, and also like voice recorder is also working fine. This, as you can see, this is new voice recorder, clocks, and also calendar, calculator, etc. Even I shared the gallery app also, but gallery app is crashing. I don't know why. So what I'm trying to say is I have shared almost all the One UI 8.5 apps APK in my channel through my videos, and you guys really like that videos. That's why I keep making videos for you guys about this new APK, and I keep searching on internet like where can I find the new One UI 8.5 APK and share with you guys. But guys, in all these One UI 8.5 APK videos, one comment is always there, which is about One UI 8.5 launcher. Like lot of people are asking about, like, you have the One UI 8.5 APK but you are not sharing. Why you are not sharing? You are sharing useless APK like clock, calendar, but you are not sharing the launcher APK, useless, etc, etc. So I have the habit of replying every comments, so I reply them also. Okay, but I'm finally tired of replying them. So guys, I thought why not make a video and install the One UI 8.5 launcher in One UI 8 in front of you guys. And guys, yes, I have the APK, and let me show you why I am not sharing the APK. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm in One UI 8 default launcher. You can see the search bar is back now over here. So this is the One UI 8 default launcher. Okay, now let me install the One UI 8.5 launcher. Okay, if I go to file manager and if I tap on APK, yes guys, this is the One UI 8.5 launcher APK. Let me tap on it and let me click on install One UI home. This is what Samsung called the launcher, and it's installing. Okay, the app has been installed. Yes guys, you can install the One UI 8.5 launcher on your One UI 8, but guys, if I go to home screen, it will crash. As you can see, it's crashing. And if you think it hasn't been installed, let me show you. If I go to app drawer, let me just go. You can see the search bar. This is the One UI 8.5 search bar. Yes, you can see. So it's working, but it's crashing. Okay, there is a very small glitch which can be fixed. I think I am searching for the solution, but I'm not finding it. As you can see, it's working. So you can see this is the One UI 8.5 launcher. Yes guys, you can install it, but it's crashing. So I have this launcher since 1 or 2 months now, but I'm not making a video on it because it's crashing. Okay, if I give you this APK and you install it, it will crash and you will like use bad word in comments. So that's why I was not making video on it. Okay, since like 2 months I have got lots of comments on my previous videos about like One UI 8 calendar, other apps I have been sharing you. But guys, if you still want this APK, just follow me on Instagram, link will be in the description. Follow me and message me, ask for this APK. I will definitely reply you. And don't worry guys, you can easily uninstall this. Just go to settings, apps, type One UI. So this is the One UI home. Tap on it. Again, tap on 3 dot, click on uninstall update. Uninstall is done. Now if I go back to home screen, everything is normal. We are back to One UI 8 launcher. As you can see, this is the One UI 8 launcher. You can try it, install it. Just follow me on Instagram and message me on Instagram. I will share you the APK. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Follow me on Instagram, link will be in the description if you want that APK. Bye, have a great day.